Hello, this is Dr. Prasad Pudil. I'm continuing the class series on biology for engineers for non-computer science stream students. Uh, that is BBOK407. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel, my intuition 4865. Your subscription is the valuable input for me to continue the classes on this series. Okay, so about the question which I shared earlier, uh, the design of a dialysis system to manage the chronic kidney disease CKD using your understanding of kidney architecture and the filtration mechanism. Kidney architecture, the structure, filtration process, the common usages, common causes, symptoms are required as an answer to this. Okay, so design an effective dialysis system for managing the chronic kidney disease. It involves a very deep understanding of the kidney architecture, the filtration mechanism. Hemodialysis and peritoneal dialysis are the main two primary methods which are used, which are very unique benefit as well as having their own considerations. A better new method can be introduced by anyone. Okay, so customizing this treatment to patient needs, it enhancing the comfort, the convenience of the patient, improving system efficiency are the key to in providing the effective and reliable dialysis care. Okay, so this is the structure representation of a kidney, where the kidney exactly are located and how it look, what are the different parts, what are the names given that is mentioned here. We call it as anatomy of kidney. At the end of this anatomy, you can see there are an n number of one more than 1 million. I called the nephrons. Okay, so this is the representation of a nephron. Nephron consists of a glomerulus tubule and a long tube that is collecting duct, which is then connected to the urine bag. Okay, so structure of nephron. Nephron that is a functional unit of the kidney, and each kidney contains around more than 1 million nephrons. Each nephron includes the glomerulus, proximal tubule, loop of Henle, distal tubule, and the collecting duct. Glomerulus, it is the network of capillaries which are located at the beginning of a nephron. Given here the image, the filtration or the filtered blood, it allowing the water and small solutes to pass into the nephron while retaining large molecule like the proteins or blood cells. The tubules, the tubular structure which processes the filtration from the glomerulus, it reabsorbs the necessary substances and secrete a waste product into a filtrate, ultimately forming the urine. Okay, so that functioning, how would that work? That's also represented in this image. The filtration process, the blood filtration, the filtration process is mentioned in this particular image. The mechanism of filtration of human kidney. Okay, so the filtration process, it is initially the blood enters the glomerulus under the pressure, the blood pressure which is created, and the water along with the not only the blood, even water along with the solutes are filtered out into the Bowman's capsule. Okay, so you can see this is the Bowman's capsule, the capsule like the holding type of structure. Larger molecules and cells remain in the blood, while the smaller molecules like glucose, ions, and the waste products, they enter to the filtrate. Then, as the filtrate moves through the tubule, essential substances are reabsorbed. Okay, again it is connected to the that passage near to that. Again, the semi-permeable membrane mechanism works there. So, as the filtrate moves through the tubule, the essential substances are reabsorbed back into the blood, and the waste products are concentrated into the urine. So, here the rearrangement takes place, and whatever the so-called urine is formed, that is the waste from the blood that is collected. Not only 1 million such collection centers are there in our body. So the urine is then collected in the renal pelvis and passed through ureters to the bladder for its removal. Now, CKD, the chronic kidney disease, how it is formed, what are the considerations? That is, impact of diabetes, impact of hypertension are the main two reasons. The high blood sugar level, it will damage nephron, that leads to the bad filtration or impaired filtration. Even hypertension, that is increased blood pressure, that damages the blood vessels in the kidney, and that also reduces their ability to filter the blood effectively. Now, the symptoms of chronic kidney diseases are the fatigue, tiredness, swelling, edema, shortness of breath, the breathing, the cycle, it is shorter, and fast breathing cycles, that is shortness of breath, and people are having confusion of what to do. Sudden confusion comes in the brain, that shows that kidney purification system is not working properly. Now, the complications of the failure of kidney, that causes anemia. It creates cardiovascular diseases related to heart. There will be an imbalance of electrolyte in our body, and it even causes bone diseases. These are the, if the blood is not purified properly. Now, the dialysis system, which can be designed, already designed, and what possibly can be done, that is explained in this particular session. Hemodialysis, that is the external blood filtration process, whereas the peritoneal dialysis, that is use of the peritoneal membrane of our body, our stomach itself, it is used for the filtration. Okay, so hemodialysis, that is external one, that is blood is drawn from the patient's body through a dialyzer, which is also called as artificial kidney. But I don't treat it as artificial kidney. Artificial kidney should be exactly the same shape and functioning of a kidney, then I'll call it as artificial kidney. Okay, it can be treated. It's a dialyzer where uh, the dialyzer contains a semi-permeable membrane which allows the waste product and excess fluid to diffuse out of the blood while retaining essential proteins and cells. The fistula or catheter dialysis machine, dialysate fluid, these are all the terms used in that. Okay, so here we can see the blood is taken through the different tubes, and it is connected, the tubes are semi-permeable membrane connected to the dialysis, the fresh dialysis fluid connected there, where which can absorb impurities, and the impurities from the blood, it is collected, and it is taken as a dialysis fluid, used dialysis fluid. Peritoneal dialysis, that is the peritoneal cavity in our stomach. So this particular area is called peritoneal cavity. So in that cavity, the dialysate, the fluid used for dialysis, it is pumped, or it is filled using a bag. It is filled, then it is closed, so there the exchange takes place, and it flows back to a drain bag. Okay, so the waste products and excess fluid diffuses from the blood vessels in the peritoneal membrane into the dialysate, which is then drained and replaced with the first solution. Continuous ambulatory peritoneal dialysis, CAPD you might have heard, and automated peritoneal dialysis, APD. CAPD and APD are the two terms connected to that. Now, addressing the patient needs and improving the system efficiency, what are the problems that is existing with different dialysis, or what can be done further, that is explained in this, where the further improvement can be done, um, can be suggested. All those things are explained in this particular portion. So, personalized treatment, we can tailor, we can fine tune, or we can change it, the mode, the frequency, the duration, the dialysate composition based on individual patient needs, and the response from the patients during the treatment. Continuous monitoring of vital signals like breathing, heart pressure, blood moving, other muscular movements, everything which are called the vital signals. when we go to at a hospital, first they will check the vital signals. They say vital signals are proper or vital signals are not good, then they will decide. The first thing, just checking the that one, checking the heartbeat, checking the breathing style. These are the vital signals. And dialysis efficiency, vital signals and the dialysis efficiency need to be monitored, so that so that the parameters of the dialysis can be adjusted. Enhancing comfort and convenience, we need to design a very compact, very small, portable carrying a dialysis machine for home use, reducing the need for the frequent hospital visit. They should implement intuitive interfaces and automated features to simplify operation and reduce the patient burden. The operation and the other mechanisms should be simplified, so that any person could able to operate it and make it work. Then improving the efficiency, uh, developing high membrane, develop a high flux membrane that enhances waste removal and reduce the treatment time. Use biocompatible dialysate solution that minimize adverse reactions and improve patient outcome. We will not, the dialysate solution also should not create any issue with our body system when it goes to entering our body. Okay, so that's about this particular class on kidney and the dialysis, and what further need to be done, that is explained in this class series. So please do share this class video, because notes anyhow it will not can note down by pausing the video. But any explanation which I gave, if it is useful for others, if you understood or able to recall, then that will be useful for others also, and I will also will get more number of views. So once again, thank you very much for watching this video. My son is there behind you. Yeah, hi. Okay, so once again, thank you very much for watching this video and sharing to others. Thank you. Bye. Bye.